Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a kind of video on how I recommend how you should wear your makeup in 7th, 8th, and 9th grade. This is just kind of what I did when it came to makeup. I'm going to show you what I did. Of course, you can do whatever you want. This is just kind of what I did and just kind of showing you my personal, I don't know, opinion on what you should wear or what you can wear. So don't forget to subscribe, leave a like down below, and comment down below any future videos you think I should make. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first I'm going to show you makeup that you should wear in 7th grade. And so what I honestly did in 7th grade was I didn't wear a lot of makeup at all. But the first thing I did is I wore a primer, not necessarily a primer, just something hydrating, whether it's just like a lotion to put on your face or a primer that is hydrating, because I don't know, I like to keep my skin hydrated. So I would just, for 7th grade, take a squirt of that and just kind of put it on your face. I look like I just ran a mile, kind of. Alright, so then for your 7th grade look, I go ahead and with some powder. I'm taking some Maybelline Fit Me powder. This powder is like about to hit pan. I used to use it a lot. And I just kind of take a little powder brush and just kind of put this all over the face. And this is just going to kind of tone down your, I don't know, oiliness, since my primer was very oily. I'm just going to kind of put this all over my face, and this is also adding a little bit of color to your face if you want a little bit of coverage. Alright, so now what I did in 7th grade is I love adding blush. So I'm just going to add a little bit of blush. Really, any blush is fine. I'm just using this Milani one. I'm just dabbing a little bit and I'm brushing some of it off in case I get a little too much. And I also curled my eyelashes. And then I don't put any mascara on for 7th grade. I just kind of curled them so they're a little bit longer looking because I have really short eyelashes. And that's what I did for 7th grade. This is what I recommend. It's super natural, easy, but if you want more makeup, you can definitely do more makeup. I just didn't because, I don't know, 7th grade might be like 12, 13, so you don't need that much makeup. Alright, so now on to 8th grade. 8th grade, I definitely kicked up my makeup game. I definitely put on a lot more. So the first thing I did was primer. And you can really use whatever primer once again. And I really like e.l.f.'s primer. And I'm just going to use this one, which is tone adjusting, because if you can't tell, I have very rosy cheeks. This is just evening out my skin tone. It's also moisturizing it, because this is a very moisturizing primer. Okay, so after that, I personally did add a little bit of concealer because I do have very bad under eye circles. So what I did in 8th grade, or what I recommend, is I kind of just take my ring finger and I take some concealer. Oh, by the way, and this concealer is the Instant Age Around by Maybelline. I just take some on my ring finger and I just kind of put it under my eye and I blend it out under my eye. This is just kind of getting rid of my dark circles, but it's nothing crazy and drastic. It just kind of cancels out the purpliness under my eyes. And it's barely any makeup. Once again, applying it with your finger makes it appear more natural, I guess. And that is the concealer. Very natural. It just kind of got rid of the bags. And then what I did is I added some powder because I look like a cream freak, I guess. I look really oily. So I love the Coty Airspun powder. It has no color. It just really, you know, gets rid of the shine. So I just take the little puff that comes with it. I dip it in and I just kind of put this wherever I put primer and concealer. Just like that. Now my face is super smooth. Alright, so after that, I added highlighter in 8th grade. Highlighter was the bomb. I love highlighter. So I'm going to add on a very natural looking highlighter. My natural highlighter that I have is this ColourPop one in Lunch Money. Their highlighters are amazing. I love them. I'm brushing it and then put it on my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, and my cheek. Highlighter is my all-time favorite thing now. I didn't know it in 7th grade, but definitely in 8th grade. I love highlighter. Okay, so after that, all I did was I curled my eyelashes, and then I put on some mascara, and I used the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. I love this mascara so much. And whenever I apply my mascara, this always happened. I always got mascara under. So I just kind of take a makeup wipe and just take it off. This is the 8th grade makeup, Supernatural. Just got some lashes. It's pretty much the only thing that was like added. Alright, now for the 9th grade makeup look, I definitely kicked it up a lot more. So once again, I just added some primer, and then I added a little bit, and then I added some concealer. But I did add a little bit more. I also use it with my finger. I kind of go down to my cheeks as well when it comes to my concealer for 9th grade. I go down to my cheeks because I do have redness. Then after the concealer, as shown, I take my beauty blender and just kind of pat it in a little bit. This is not a beauty blender, it's a Real Techniques blend. So there's the concealer. I definitely added more, and then I go back into my Coty Airspun powder and I put on more. But this time I'm using a brush. I'm just gonna. So after the powder, this is what my face looks like. It's looking very plain, and I look really pale. Since I look pale, I discovered bronzer. Bronzer is like now one of my most favorite makeup products. Where is my favorite bronzer? Oh right, it's up here. So I added the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I love this bronzer. I just take a big fluffy brush and I put it on my cheekbones. This just kind of, and I put it also on the top of my forehead. I'm really pale, and bronzer is kind of a pale girl's best friend because of course it makes you look tanner. Go ahead in with some highlighter, and I'm just using the Sephora Golden Hour highlighter. It's very pinky toned, which is nice because of course I did not wear blush, so this is just kind of acting as my highlighter and blush. So I'm just kind of putting this on right here. It's super duper blinding much. And I keep, and there's highlighter. I love highlighter. Oh my goodness. So that is it for my face makeup, and now going on to eyebrows. Yes, I do use an eyebrow pencil. I use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I love this thing, and it's amazing. Eyebrows is a great thing if you want to boost up your makeup routine and to make your makeup a little bit more dramatic. Doing your eyebrows really changes your makeup look. So I just kind of fill them in a little bit, make my eyebrows a little bit longer, and then I just kind of make them darker, I guess. After doing my eyebrows, they definitely look darker. So after doing my eyebrows, I go on with my eyes. I do add a little bit of eyeshadow for 9th grade because why not? It's fun, and yeah. Tartelette and Bloom palette from Tarte, and I'm also going to be using my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. So I'm literally just taking this little color, Smarty Pants. It's super light, natural color. I'm taking this, I'm kind of just dusting this on my crease, and I'm just kind of dusting this all over the whole entire lid. This is just adding a little bit of dimension. I take this white shade with my finger and I put it on my brow bone. I like doing it with my finger because I feel more, it's like more precise. And then I go into my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I really recommend this palette. It's only like 10 bucks. And I'm taking my finger again into this really bright, shiny color, and I'm putting it in my inner corner to make me look more awake. So this is what we've got going on so far. Just curl my eyelashes again. After I curl them, I just put my mascara on, the same one from earlier. After mascara, my eyelashes look very long after mascara. I'm pretty much done, but sometimes on some days I recommend you just kind of putting on some lip gloss or lip balm or something to keep your lips moisturized. And that is it for the 8th grade makeup look. And all the looks, I do put a little setting spray on. This is a Tarte setting spray. I do this on all the looks because it really refreshes your face. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like down below. And tell me anything else you think you would add to these makeup looks. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.